I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to put in these little sprayer heads. They're all the same. It doesn't matter if it's the rain tile up above, the 45 at your head, or the 3 body sprayers. They're all identical basically in how they go together. It's real simple. It can be a pain in the ass if you haven't seen any videos. I don't remember seeing any. And then we're going to talk about this guy. This is your interface. It runs it all. So real quick, that thread's on a nipple. It's got an O-ring on it. You slide this piece over that O-ring. You use this screw to tighten it down. Once you get that in, you got this plastic piece which distributes the water out. Those just have 2 Allen screws. And then this rubber piece, make sure you press it in all the way around it. And take out all the wrinkles. Make sure the edges are down tight. And then you take this chrome piece, put it in from the top first down to the bottom. It's got 2 set screws. Loosen them to set this thing in place, tighten them to take it off. Real simple. You just don't take the screws out, don't tighten it up all the way. So those are real easy. So we're going to talk about the interface. The interface is what controls it all from inside the shower. You turn on whatever head you want, how many heads you want, doesn't matter. This is the brains. This is usually sitting in a closet or an access panel. 6-port valve, runs all the water to each head, and then the brain for the lighted rain tile that runs the scenes. So we just chose the hand wand, turn that on so I don't get soaking wet, so you can see that running. And yeah, like I said, you can control it all from the interface, temperatures, which heads you want running. It doesn't matter if you want them all running or if you just want 1 or 2 or 3 running. So with the interface, you can control just about any aspect of your shower you want. Temperatures, heads, whatever. This does tie into your network, so you get some more advanced settings when you get on your computer and go into a web interface for it. You can set things like the icons for whatever kind of shower head you have. If you have the traditional with the little gooseneck spout and the little head on the end of it, you can choose that for, your icon for that shower. So you got a lot of choices there. You can set up your massage sequences with the computer. You can set your max temperature so that whoever gets in the shower can't go over so many degrees so they don't burn themselves like your children. Really neat little setup. So here we have the sunny cloud day scene. Whatever mood you feel in, there's a scene basically for it. You've got sunrises, sunset, sunny clouds. You got a thunderstorm. You've got water reflection. There's a few little scenes there, or you can just change this thing to whatever color you want, or you can make it cycle through colors. It's real neat little chromotherapy. Sad thing is Kolher does not make that rain tile anymore. They discontinued it, which is odd because it's real popular. This particular customer, he has about 20 of these showers. So here is the sunset. Really cool little thing. It's sad that Kolher discontinued it because it is a really neat little experience with these showers. Customers going to be pretty bummed out that they discontinue these, and they are hard to find right now. So some places have some left in stock. Some of your builder places or whatever online, they are hard to find because they are discontinued. So what'll happen is he'll want me to buy them all up in case he does some more showers. So, and they're about $2,000 a piece. I'm trying to get the thunderstorm going here. It takes a little time to get ramped up, kind of like a thunderstorm. So you have to be patient with that one. That tried to make it a little realistic. It's starting to come up now, and you'll see the little flickering of, right there, lightning. So that's a real cool one. Thunderstorms are relaxing to me. That's probably one I would probably run. So you get a lot of neat scenes to go with it. And then we can come in here and we can say it's not doing it fast enough, or the lightning strikes, or the clouds ain't going by quick enough. You can change the speed of it through this also. So let's switch it over to the water reflection. Again, I've got it still on very fast, so yeah, the water reflections are moving pretty good there. And as you can see, it's really cool. And now we'll do some individual colors so you guys can see what those look like. So here you go. So the Kolher DTV Plus system is got so much more you can do with it. We didn't do it with this shower. You can get the Kolher waterproof speakers to put inside, listen to your iTunes music library, and you can get these Kolher steam generators. All can be controlled by that interface. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and you guys have a great day.